Hello everybody, back to Brandon Hatley. And what I'm going to be a lot of people are telling me to do more burps. How many burps am I going to do? This is going to be the third one, yeah. And I'm still not at my dad's, but I'm at my mom's. I go to my dad's every other weekend, but today's Wednesday and I have school at my mom's, so oh well. Okay. Another final finale at the end.